video game I chose was Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell Conviction, and one thing about the video game, color-wise, is a lot of dark colors, minimal saturation, except for when the player is in bright light. Most of the time it's mostly dark, cool colors, blacks, grays, blues. This goes into the whole theme of being a stealth soldier. For example, when the waiter's walking by with the telephone, you don't really notice it until he walks in the shadow and the bright green light is flashing, and it gives the gamer a sense that whatever is going on with the phone must be very important, which turns out it is. Another thing that's intriguing is that the background light is very bright. However, when he turns around, you can obviously see it's starting to get darker, which could lead to different tones, such as moods or what's going on, what could possibly be going on in the character's future. There's tons of different contrasts. For example, the yellow umbrella, the green sign, just offers different contrasts that make it appealing to the eye. However, right now it's moderate saturation. There's some darkness, but there's also a lot of brightness. However, obviously when he walks over deep into the shadows, he's very hard to see. There's minimal light, and even when it is minimal light, it's mostly cool colors such as blues and greens. And one thing that I thought was interesting was that it seemed most of the time the cover that the character can hide behind is usually fairly lit in some form, or is a slightly brighter color. Like later on in the game clip, you'll see some red barrels that you can hide behind, and that obviously helps the gamer find a place to hide. Another thing that's intriguing is that the enemies are in fairly bright clothing. As you can see, one guy's wearing a white shirt, another guy's wearing a red shirt. They stand out from the background, whereas with you wearing black clothing, you blend in really well. Another example is this enemy has orange sleeves, which obviously makes him stand out. Those are the red barrels I was telling you about that assist the gamer in hiding behind the object. Another thing I thought was kind of cool about it is how the colors change when the player walks in and out of light. The saturations differ. The character gets brighter with time when he's in the light, and that actually will reflect off onto different objects. His shadow will be cast, which will affect the colors in multiple ways, which I thought was pretty cool. The hues are mostly dark. It's not a very bright game due to the fact that the theme is recon and stealth fighting, so it wouldn't make much sense for it to be a whole bunch of bright colors. It's mostly in the very dark tones.